From CBS 4, this is Haystack TV, powered by HaystackColorado.com. Finding reliable services can be like finding a needle in a haystack. With HaystackColorado.com, finding the needle just got a lot easier. Now, the host of Haystack TV, Chris Kane.
Welcome to this Haystack TV Spotlight. If you've ever found yourself in the unfortunate situation of having been charged with a DUI, you may feel overwhelmed, scared, and helpless. Today we have someone you need to talk with if you are in this situation. The Orr Law Firm focuses on DUI defense and other criminal traffic cases. This is all they do. They are accredited by the Better Business Bureau and a member of the National College for DUI Defense. The Orr Law Firm is one of the most well-trained, knowledgeable, and aggressive DUI defense firms in the state, if not the country. Rydian Orr, senior partner at the Orr Law Firm, joins us today. Thank you for being here.
Good morning, Chris. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. So what makes your firm the best defense firm in Colorado?
Well, I can't say we're the best defense firm overall. Defense firms, as in general, are criminal defense is a very large area. We focus on DUI defense. This is what we do. We do anything from vehicular homicide, vehicular assault, to DUIs. And DUIs are about 95% of our practice.
And why did you choose to focus on DUI defense, and how long have you been doing it?
In 2002 is when the firm was founded. One of my best friends got himself into a pickle. He got himself a DUI, and he was going to lose his job, and he was going to lose his career if he lost his license or got an actual DUI. And we helped him out, and that was the birth of the firm.
Okay, and what should someone do if they do get a DUI?
Well, if you get a DUI, my recommendation is to call a law firm immediately. You can call our firm. We will give you a free consultation. We'll sit down and talk and walk you through. And the fact is that there's a lot of things that you need to do. And in fact, many times within 7 days, if you don't act, you lose your license in a DUI.
And surprisingly, a lot of DUIs happen in the morning.
Yeah, a lot of times people don't realize they go out and they party and they have a good time with their friends. They take a cab home, but in the morning they get up, they feel a little groggy, and they're driving. Well, the human body only metabolizes alcohol at 0.015 to 0.02 an hour. So if you were tanked the night before and you did the responsible thing, but when you're driving to work or to school in the morning, you can very easily be above the legal limit.
And the best way to avoid a DUI?
Don't drink and drive. Mm-hmm. In Colorado, the legal limit is 0.05 for what's called a DWAI, which can be as little as 2 to 3 drinks in an evening. When you and I were growing up, they'd tell you, a drink an hour and you'd be safe. Unfortunately, that is not actually the truth anymore, because with a 0.05, you're over that limit very quickly.
And let's say you do get pulled over, and you have an option and you have been drinking, you have an option either for a breath test or a blood test. Is there one you should choose over the other?
Well, I always say that that's a personal choice. There are defenses to all of them. The fact that if you choose a breath test, you're going to get your license taken immediately, and they're going to give you a 7-day permit to go request it. Same thing as if you refuse. They're going to give you a permit, and you're going to have a chance to go request a hearing. But if you do a blood test, you have to wait for the results. The one benefit on a blood test is that you do get to retest that sample and do a secondary non-state test.
All right, and if you do get charged, you should probably hire an attorney, but a lot of people don't.
A lot of people do, and a lot of people don't hire an attorney, but I don't understand why. Because there are attorneys that'll fit you. I always say lawyers are like shoes. Try on a few pairs, figure out which ones fit you, figure out which ones you're most comfortable with, and then see if you can afford them. I know if you come into our office and money is your major concern, we will help you find somebody that you can afford.
Okay.
But the consultation is free.
Yes, so why not?
Yeah, and priceless, basically, because then you know where you stand.
Okay, great. Well, I'm going to tell people how to get a hold of you. Thank you for being here. We certainly appreciate it.
Thank you for your time.
The Orr Law Firm focuses on DUI defense and other criminal traffic cases. The senior partner is nationally recognized as a DUI defense attorney and has a staff of skilled and trained personnel focused on DUI defense. The Orr Law Firm offers free consultations, flat fees, and payment plans are available. If you are facing a DUI, don't go at it alone. Call the Orr Law Firm at 303-818-2448 or visit their website at orrlaw.com. Remember, what you do in the first 7 days of your DUI arrest is critical in protecting your rights and privilege to drive. The number again is 303-818-2448. The Orr Law Firm paid for this segment.